Student Legal Services is here for you at Bowling Green State University. We are a full-service, nonprofit law firm that provides legal representation to the students enrolled in classes. We provide everything from advice and consultation to representation by experienced staff attorneys. Our one-on-one counseling sessions with an attorney will provide students with answers to their legal questions, advice, and referrals to available resources to assist in resolving their problems. We provide settlement negotiations, document preparation, and whatever else is necessary to resolve a client's legal issue.
I was looking for an apartment, so I found the perfect apartment, put my deposit down, went into the office, and they did the required credit check and criminal background check. Credit check went through perfectly. Then when they did the criminal background check, he asked me, "Have you been to Florida?" Because apparently on my criminal background check, there were a series of felonies that had been committed in Florida, including throwing a missile into traffic that showed up under my name. So I went to Student Legal Services, and I didn't expect the kind of service that I got. I figured they would tell me what to do. But actually, she did everything for me. I didn't have to do anything. I had to fill out some paperwork, and that was it. She did all of the going in between, and after that, it got wiped from my record. All of that. It was just a mistake that the reporting agency had made, but I couldn't get them to take it away by myself, so having her behind me got that taken care of. I would definitely advise an incoming freshman to make sure that they pay their student legal services fee because you might be thinking, well, this is money that I could use elsewhere. Well, the fact is, if you need it, this minimal fee that you pay each semester, you're not going to get legal representation for that fee. It's just impossible. But for that little fee, if you need it, is so very important. And even if you don't end up using it, you'll at least have the peace of mind of knowing that it's there if you need it.
For cases that require more than just consultation, we also provide court representation to students in the Bowling Green Municipal Courts, 6th District Court of Appeals, and the Ohio Supreme Court.
You know, nobody's immune to the trials and tribulations of life, and you never know when something is going to happen. I felt like I couldn't afford a real lawyer. But when I went over to Student Legal Services, I actually got a real lawyer. I mean, they got like all the knowledge that another lawyer would have that's charging you like an arm and a leg. So I would say it's great. You know, they received me, they accepted me, they talked to me, they gave me information, they made me feel comfortable and positive about the situation. So it's a great service. I mean, great people willing to help you.
For a minimal fee, less than $10 a semester, SLS provides you with an abundance of services, including court representation if you need it. Remember, most attorneys charge between $100 to $200 an hour for services, so it's worth having the services available to you. Even if you don't use the services during the semester, you have the peace of mind knowing that they're available when you need them.
I have many clients who come because they've never encountered problems of this nature before and are not there in the very direct supportive environment of their family, who are very stressed and express that they're having difficulty concentrating on their classes because of the legal problem they're presenting. Oftentimes, by the time they leave our office, we can alleviate some of that stress and assure them they're going to have the help they need, and that is one of the goals of the program. We like to dispel the notion that this program exists only for students who get in trouble and cause problems in the community. For example, since its inception here, which has just been a few years, we have collected well over $200,000 in judgments for students, monies that they're entitled to by way of perhaps reimbursement for a product that was defective or a security deposit that a landlord wasn't going to pay back to them. For students who need to use our services, they would otherwise be putting out hundreds, if not thousands of dollars to obtain the representation that they need. So absolutely, this is a great value.
Student Legal Services helps with a variety of situations, including landlord-tenant law, criminal law, consumer law, family law, wills and advance directives, and minor personal injury cases. Most problems that you would hire a lawyer for, we can handle, and if we can't help you, we can find someone who can.
For a complete list of services we provide, please visit our website at www.bgsu.edu/student legal services. Our website can provide you with general information and advice about legal matters. If you need more support, call us at 419-372-2951 or stop by our office, located at the Wooster Street Center, 1124 East Wooster Street, and schedule an appointment with one of our staff attorneys for a resolution to your problems.